Hi guys. In this video, we go to see a new crypto earning website. Let's get started. Step 1. Create an account. First click the website link in below description. You will redirect to this page. Now click the register button. Now you can fill your details here. Email address. Password. Confirm password. Once you've filled everything, scroll down. Then solve the CAPTCHA. Finally click Get Started button. Now we are created the account successfully. Step 2. How to earn crypto. This is our dashboard. Click the 3-line icon. Now you can see this website provide 4 type of earning methods. Claim Faucet, Auto Faucet, Shortlinks, PTC Ads. Click Claim Faucet option. You see this. This website provide 1 lot coins every minute. Now, scroll down. Solve the CAPTCHA. Again, scroll down. Click Collect Your Reward button. Now 1 lot coins added to your wallet. You can also earn coins using other methods. Step 3. How to withdraw. Come to Dashboard. Scroll down. You can withdraw coins here. This website provide 4 type of crypto coin withdrawal options. Choose which method you want. I choose TRX. Now, you earned coins automatically shown here. You can only fill your Faucetpay email address. If you don't have Faucetpay account, don't worry, go to the description. We provide the Faucetpay account registration tutorial. Watch and create one, once you filled your Faucetpay email address. Then, scroll down. Click Withdraw button. Now, your coins sent to your Faucetpay account. Now, we go to Faucetpay account and check whether coins received, or not. You can see, the coins are received. Thanks for watching. If you need more earning video, click subscribe button.